The rubber plant leaf problem. For any leaf problem, first look at the amount of water your plant is receiving. Overwatering can cause droopy leaves in a short time. Prolonged overwatering can kill the plant. Too much water in soil if the plant is sitting in water in the saucer. Empty the saucer. Underwatering, leaves turn yellowish, and then turn brown and fall off. Leaves become softer or droopy. Leaves become curly due to lack of moisture in soil. Bottom leaves drop indicates bottom roots not getting water due to less watering or due to cramped roots, that is, the plant has become root bound. Roots coming out. Repot the plant in a pot that is 2 inches larger. How to water rubber plant. Correct watering is the most important to keep your rubber plant healthy. To prevent leaf drop, give room temperature water to avoid shock to the plant by too hot or too cold water. Allow top 1-inch soil to dry before watering. Insert your finger in the soil to 1-inch depth and if it is dry then only water. Water until it drains from the bottom. Empty the drained water from saucer. Lack of humidity. During winter, heating indoors can cause leaves to fall. Hot air from AC reduces humidity. To increase humidity, mist the plant daily or place plant on a tray of pebbles filled with water. You can put a layer of sugarcane mulch to contain moisture in soil. Cold air drafts may drop leaves. Keep the plant away from AC outlets, windows or door that open frequently. In poor light, growth will stop, leaves may fall, leaf color becomes dull and grow new leaves smaller. Place the plant in bright light, away from direct sunlight. Pests like mealybugs, scale, and spider mites can cause plant leaves falling and new leaves deformed. Make insecticide and leaf shine spray by mixing 1 ml white vinegar, 1 ml neem oil and a few drops of dishwashing soap in 1 liter water. Spray on both sides of the leaves. Wipe and polish the leaves when they get dry with a soft cloth. This spray can kill insects and pests on the plant, and also shine the leaves.